Hi, this is Karen with WTI, and this is the Petal Popping by Fenty Beauty Cream Blush. This blush is amazing. I really love it. I really like the consistency of it. A little bit can go a really long way. It's not oily, it's not cakey. It has this velvety consistency of it. And I really love the fact that it blends beautiful in my skin. I really feel like it can be looking super, super natural if I want to. But if I want to add a little bit more, it can add a little bit more of a dimension to my skin, depending on the look that I'm going for. It's a very workable blush, and I love the fact that I can just add my blush, a little bit of mascara, and I'm ready. And that's my point of view.